Hello everyone. In this video I am going to demonstrate you how to use phpMyAdmin. First of all, what is phpMyAdmin? phpMyAdmin is a GUI based tool from which you can manage your databases. You don't have to remember any queries like create, insert, update, drop, truncate. You just have to use their GUI to manage your databases. And second, it is already inbuilt provided by WAMP and XAMPP like AMP modules. You don't have to install it separately. You just have to install WAMP and XAMPP and you will be provided with GUI interface of phpMyAdmin. In the part 1, I am going to demonstrate to you how to create database and how to create table. After installing WAMP or XAMPP, you can directly access phpMyAdmin using this URL localhost/phpMyAdmin. In this window, you have to enter username, password and server choice. The default username is root and the default password is blank. I am entering server choice as MySQL because we are considering GTU syllabus. Then press go. In the left column you can see the previously created database and in the right column you can see the information about database server, web server and phpMyAdmin. In this window I am clicking the databases tab. If I want to create one database called store, I just have to enter database name in this field and then press create. The database has been created. You don't have to remember any query for that. In this database I want to create one table called customer. In this table I will save customer number, customer name, item purchased by customer and mobile number. So let's say I want to create customer table with 4 fields. So I am writing the name of the table called customer and number of columns as 4. Then press go. In this window I will enter the name of the fields in this column, the data type in here, and if I want to create any index then I can do that from here. Let's say first field name is customer number. I am keeping this as an integer because I want to create it as a primary key and I am selecting primary key from here, so I can set the customer number as a primary key and then I am clicking AI. AI is auto increment. If you want to automatically add any values in the field, you can set it as auto increment. You don't have to enter the value of the customer number in the query. It will auto increment the value from the 0. The first value is entered as 1, the second value is 2 and third value is 2 and so on. The second field I want to call is customer name. I am keeping it as a varchar and length is 30. Third field is item purchased by customer. I am also keeping it as a varchar and length same as customer name. And last field I want to create is mobile number. I cannot keep it as an integer because in integer you can only store values, as you can see, -2 147 483 648 to 2 147 483 647 as a signed range. And if I create as an unsigned range, then you can only set 0 to 4 294 967 295. Our mobile number starts from 5 6 7 8 9, so it will not come in the range of integer field. So I can only create it as a big integer because big integer has a very much big range, as you can see from the mouse over. So I am selecting it as a big integer and then press save. As you can see, the customer table has been created. Customer number is primary key, as you can see from the key symbol, and it is an auto increment value. I have selected it as an integer and default size of integer is 11 and default size of big integer is 20. The customer name and item purchase I have kept as a varchar and length as 30 and mobile number is big integer. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel Beat Oxygen Academy, please subscribe it now. And you can also follow us on Instagram at beatoxygen_academy. Thank you.